Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm AO. This is day number 239 of my 365 days of art, and today I decided to paint one of my first male original characters. I decided to go for more of like a portrait style drawing. I didn't really want to think too much about the background today. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna name him. I was thinking about Dejun or Dehun or something like that, so I will still think about what his name will be. I think I will include him in my webcomic, so we'll see how it goes. The entire drawing process took me roughly around 7 hours. I'm slowly getting used to Medibang paint. I've always preferred Medibang paint over Photoshop or Clip Studio Paint, so everything is sort of getting better because I got a new laptop and everything seems to be working faster than before, so I'm kind of happy about that that factor. Even now, after I finished today's painting, I thought to myself, should I repaint my final project again? I keep thinking about it because I wasn't really happy about how it turned out. And I'm not really sure if I will repaint my final project or if I will just I'll see what I'll do. But anyway, today I had a lot of fun because I feel as though my goal of drawing and painting handsome men is slowly starting to materialize. This was something I said at the beginning, roughly around June and August. I was saying that I really want to paint more male characters, sort of my own style, and I'm starting to understand my own style slowly. But now I want to draw more attractive female characters, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep practicing more female faces and draw more female characters that way. But yeah, it was a great drawing process as always. I always enjoy painting. I always enjoy my painting process, and I'm still not burned out. I keep wondering, should I expect to be burned out? Should I be, I don't know, maybe it's because the past couple of artworks were serialized, so I drew one artwork in like 7 days, so I think that's kind of why I was a bit more rested. It was very uncomfortable. For example, today's painting, I did it all in one day, like 7-8 hours, but if I do it in 7 days, I feel a bit lazy. I feel as though I should be finishing it all in one swoop in one day. Maybe I got too used to it and I need to get used to painting in a couple of days or something. I'll just see how it happens and how I feel every single day to decide what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna chop up my artworks into various days or finish it into one day. But I do have a job outside of this, so yeah, it all depends on my job as well. But anyway, that is all I'm gonna talk about today. I hope you all have a fantastic day today, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you like this sort of content, also draw study with me videos, or I'm gonna study anatomy, feel free to subscribe, like, share and comment. It will help more people find my channel. And if you want to get in contact with me, you can get me on Instagram, where I'm a lot more active. But I will see you all in the next video. I hope you all have a fantastic day today. Bye bye everybody.